Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Got a great episode for you today. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. We're going to take some deep breaths together and see if we can release stress, let go of anxiety, worries, anger, and come back to trust in the unfolding of life. All you gotta do is sit back and relax and follow the guidance of my voice. Putting distractions to the side. Getting into a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down. Making sure your spine is as upright as possible. Bringing some awareness to your posture. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Becoming aware of your space. Taking in the visual of your space. All the colors and textures. Any smell. Sensation of touch. Relaxing your hands and feet. You can let your eyes gently close, bringing the attention inwards, becoming more aware of sound. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And a big sigh, exhaling. Very nice, my friend. Sticking with me now, taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing stress, letting it go. Bringing a smile to your face, relaxing the jaw, letting go of tensions in the face. Breathing in and breathing out with a sigh. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, letting it go. Visualize breathing in a very loving energy. And as you exhale, letting go and releasing any fears. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body. Not creating unnecessary fear for ourselves about things that haven't even happened yet and may never happen. Coming back into this present moment. Feeling rooted in your body. Feeling love for your body as you breathe in through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Breathing in through the nose, holding at the top, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale with a sigh. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face. Looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming thoughts. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Becoming aware of the silence and the spaciousness that is already here. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and holding at the top. Exhale, let go. Letting your mind be free to drift as you stay aware of your posture, as you stay with the breath, witnessing and welcoming the movement of sensations, thoughts, emotion, knowing that you're beyond all of this. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go of all negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. coming back into love, coming back into trust in the unfolding of life. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale with a sigh. Breathing in new life, new energy through the nose. And exhale, letting go. Becoming aware of your posture, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your eyes, relaxing your mind, relaxing your heart. Breathing in. You to visualize breathing in a loving energy right into the heart. And exhale any anger, any resentment, any frustrations, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. Taking a deep breath in. And breathing out. Relaxing the hands and feet. Relaxing the belly. Letting your mind be free just for 5 seconds. Coming back into this moment, coming back into the here and now, where everything is a-okay. Letting go of past, which can create depression, being caught in the past. Letting go of future, which can create anxieties. Coming back to the present moment, which is a gift. If you're watching this right now, if you're breathing, if your heart is still beating, you live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. So enjoying today, letting go of seriousness. The color for today is yellow. The number is 92. And the animal, you ready for it? The animal for today is a hyena. An animal that sounds like they can really laugh. I don't know if it's actually them laughing or not. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into the breath, coming back into the body. Taking a big inhale through the nose. And exhale. Breathing in. Exhale, letting go. Taking a deep breath in. joining me today across time and space. If you're struggling, if you're going through something, don't hesitate to reach out. See if we can support you in some way. Wishing you an abundance of love today. Playfulness, enjoyment of the little things. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you well on your path, wishing you courage, creativity, compassion for the suffering of yourself, for the suffering of other people. Not taking things so personally, but just enjoying your day, having fun. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.